Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to R.C.T official. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the free site you can use for your voiceover. So I'm going to show you how you can convert your text to speech. So on this site, I'm going to show you, it doesn't sound like a robot, it sounds like a woman. Don't worry, I'm going to show you, it has a limited version, but in this video, make sure you watch it to the end because I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited with the site. So the name of the site is called, let me quickly open my web browser now. So what you need to do is head on to your web browser. Maybe you are using your phone, you are using your laptop, or you are using your iOS, any device you are using. Just head on to dopdop.com. As you can see, this is the site I'm going to use. When you get to dopdop.com, what you need to do is create an account with dopdop.com. I already have an account with them. So if this is your first time using this site, what you need to do is sign up an account with them. What you need to do is just use your email. When you create with your email, they are going to send you a confirmation to your email. So when you confirm it, you are going to set your password. So after then, you have the chances to use this site. So, and as you can see, this is the interface of the site. So let me quickly show you how you can use this site. So after you generate your text, you can copy your text and add on to this site. For example, let me just quickly use my own random text. Let me just quickly type, hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate voice over using AI. So as you can see, for example, this is my text. So I want to convert the text to audio now. I want to convert it to speech. So as you can see, when you click here, we have the option of, this is let me say let me show you one thing. So this is the speaker name, Toby White. So it's the person that are going to speak out what I type here. For example, let me click on preview. Let's hear the sound.
Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
So let me quickly show you.
Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to generate voiceover using AI.
So guys, and that's how you can go about that. So we have a lot of speaker there. You can just select the one you prefer. As you can see, when you scroll down here, we have a lot of speaker. What you need to do is just click them, and it's going to automatically change to the speaker. So after you're done doing everything, if you want to export now, you click on the export. So when you click on the export, you can export as audio WAV, which is WAV. You can export as MP3, you can export as MP4, you can export as MP4 with subtitle. So it's going to subtitle your text, your speech. And also you can subtitle only, which is the R.C.T. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it with MP3, for example, now. So let me just quickly click on export. So I'm waiting for it to load. So it's loading. And one thing more about this site is that it can allow you to use 30,000 characters at the same time. And after 3 days, the free version is going to expire. So after then, you are going to pay So after it expires, you are going to pay. So let me I think I have a poor network here. Let me just quickly check my network. So maybe let me change my network here. I think the data has been exhausted. Let me change my network. So let me connect to. So I'm going to export it now. So let me refresh it again. So I'm going to re-export now. So let me just click on export and export as MP3 and click on export. So it's going to export my speech out. As you can see, I have almost 118 characters. So let me just click on generate and export. So now it's downloading now. And this is it. So let me quickly open it.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to generate. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to generate voiceover using A.I.
So guys, and that's how you can generate voiceover. So and another thing is that when you exhaust your free version, what you can do is you can create a lot of mails and be signing up on this platform. So guys, and that's all about today's video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you are new on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell, so in case of any time I'm making a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. See you in my next videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.